In a world where one man, one way, defends Cybertron died completely underwater, a lone pony must rescue his family while overcome with Batman. But this summer, the tables are turned upside down. Batman dies. Things are about to get fatter. A new threat arises, and his name is for Justice. Tiffany, starring Nicolas Cage as Bruce Willis with the mysterious Mexican gunslinger played by Jennifer Aniston. Nicolas Cage is Samuel L. Jackson in Motherfucking Motherfucker, the Samuel L. Jackson story, with Eddie Murphy as Eddie Murphy playing Nicolas Cage. Comedian Colin Mockery is a 100-kilo Alaskan Malamute straight out of the academy. A Michael Bay film written by Stephenie Meyer and Robert Rodriguez. Rob Schneider is Rob Schneider in A Lesbian. Rated OM for Oh My.